Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Janelle Renee, and I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but your girl is back and better than ever. So if you follow me, you know that back in 2020, 2021, I used to post videos about rolling trays and me and my sister's Etsy store and how much we made and how to make money selling rolling trays on Etsy. But unfortunately, me and my sister had to close our store to unforeseen circumstances. But your girl is back and I'm now selling on Etsy. I've been going strong for about a month and I'm here to give you guys some tips and tricks on what you can do to get some sales if you feel like you're missing out on some sales and you don't quite know what's wrong. So just to give you guys a backstory, me and my sister did have an Etsy store back in 2020, 2021. And as you can see, these are the sales that we made. And we did not do any marketing on Instagram or TikTok. These are all organic sales directly from Etsy. And we got these sales doing the tips that I'm going to give you guys today, okay? So let's just jump right into the video. The main website you're going to need is Insight Factory, and this is the website that you need in order to get those sales and drive traffic to your store. So I already have my example pulled up, and my example today is a digital planner, okay? And let's just take a peek and see. Okay, so this digital planner, you guys, I'm sorry, I cannot talk. So this digital planner, you guys, is beautiful, as you can see. And I just recently found out that you can actually hire someone on Fiverr to make you a listing that is as beautiful as this. And I just recently paid someone, I think $15 on Fiverr to make me 3 product listings with 5 pages each, and it was only $15, so that's not that bad. So anyways, let's get back to the video. So as you guys can see, this planner is beautiful. They're selling it for $2.35. So let's go back to Insight Factory. So as you can see, they're selling 531 of these a day. Yes, a day. And they're selling how much? They're selling it for $2.35. So that's about $1,200 a day. That don't sound too bad if you ask me. But let's see how they are getting these sales. So as you can see, these are the keywords that they are using in their title, in their description, and in their tags. So one thing I can tell you guys is that please do not use one word in your tags, okay? Don't use like book, planner, love, hate. That's not going to work. You need to use 2 words. As you can see from all of these examples, majority of these things are 2 words, okay? Because if you think about it, someone's not going to just put in Google, love, book, planner. No. They're going to put good notes planner. They're going to put all-in-one planner, undated planner. That's what these people are putting in Etsy, and this is what they're putting in Google. And this is how they're going to find your products, okay? So this is a good way that you can find some good keywords and tags. What I also love about Insight Factory is that it could generate a title for you. You don't always have to use the title that they generated for you, but it kind of gives you a good idea of what are some great keywords that you should put inside of your title. It also generates a description for you, and it gives you some low competition or high keywords that you need to be putting in your description and in your title. So it goes from hot, like the most popular right now is 2024 digital planner, Google's calendar sync. These are hot right now, and these are what this is what people is putting into Google to find the product that they're looking for. So what I can give you guys, let me show you guys and go back up. Okay, so we're gonna go back to their Etsy store, and as you can see, not only do they have a beautiful cover photo, they have a great title, filled and jam-packed with good keywords. And if you go down, I'm pretty sure, yep, they have a great description. You guys, please do not just put one paragraph or one sentence for your description. Your description needs to look like this and needs to be as long as this. Look at their description. It's amazing. It's jam-packed with keywords, and this is how they're driving sales to their product and to their store, because they have everything. They have the artwork, they have the good title, and they have an amazing description. So those are the 3 things that you guys need to focus on if you want to get sales. And also, Trust me, this does not happen overnight. You're not going to get sales overnight. You need to put time into it, effort into it, and you kind of have to let Etsy get acclimated with your store and start pushing out your product. Like I said, I just started digital marketing about 1 to 2 months ago, and it's been going pretty good because I'm doing these exact tips that I'm telling you guys about. And just on the subject of digital marketing, please do not buy a course. You do not need to buy a course in order to be successful in digital marketing. I never bought a course. I learned everything about it from YouTube, TikTok, and just Google searching, okay? Please remember you do not need to spend a lot of money in order to make a lot of money. You can learn how to do this on your own. And I'm going to start making videos weekly about digital marketing, Etsy, and how to make money on the internet, okay? But thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with another one next week. If you guys want any specific videos from me or you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.